Hey, how's it going, Bart? My name is Jack Kim with Mr. and Mrs. Leads. We're a local digital marketing and SEO firm here in Colorado Springs, and I'm reaching out to you here today because I noticed that you're doing some advertising online through Google AdWords and a few other places, but I noticed that you weren't really trying to rank organically. So what I wanted to do was reach out to you and kind of show you exactly what you're doing right in terms of your website and your link structure, as well as what your competition is doing and what it'll take for you to be able to overtake them and what kind of results you'll get by achieving those kinds of rankings at the top that your competition is doing right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is, as you can see right here, I pulled up a tool called Ahrefs.com. It's a tool that allows search marketers like us to take a look at a back end of a website and see what's working, what's not working for a website. So you can see right here the backlinks and referring domains around my mouse. So basically, backlinks and referring domains are all the websites that are pointing to your website. This is a very important metric that Google uses to determine which website should go up before another website. So you can see right here it says 75 backlinks and 23 referring domains. Basically means that there's about 23 websites and 75 links that are pointing back to your website. So 75 and 23 is not a lot in terms of the HVAC and Colorado Springs niche here in Colorado, but you can see right here that you already rank for 450 organic keywords. By keywords, I mean any phrase that has to do, in your case, with HVAC or maybe calibrating air. It's really any keyword that you rank for. In terms of Google's eyes. Right here you can see organic traffic. That's the amount of people that are visiting your website per month, and just from past experience we've noticed that this number tends to be lower than what it actually is. But so you can see how you're getting 109 traffic. I can see that your referring number of domains and pages, it's gone up and then it's gone back down. Let's go take it your organic searches. So it looks like you had a big spike here as with more traffic, maybe 385 in June. Maybe you're running a campaign and it fell down again. Let's take a look at some of your competition and see exactly how much traffic that they're getting and how much you could potentially be getting. So probably the biggest term for your business area, if you're servicing the Colorado Springs area, is HVAC Colorado Springs. If you look right here, you can see that Yelp so this is your advertising. This is where your ad was here before, but if you actually understand the trends of an average user, you'll notice that most people don't actually even click this very ad because they've just gotten used to just avoiding it and going straight to the organic search results. That's because having the organic search results is a trust factor, and people are more inclined to press an organic search rather than an advertised place up at the heading, right? So you can see right here, it looks like HVAC Solutions ColoradoSprings.com is one of your highest competitors. Let's take a look at their backlinks and their other metrics and see what they have going for them. So yeah, so you can see right here they have they're ranking for 229 keywords, 182 traffic. Their traffic value is considered worth $2,400. They have 692 backlinks and 81 referring domains. So you can see how they have a lot more backlinks and referring domains than you do, and that translates why they have a higher position in the organic search results than you do, and that's why they have more traffic as well. What I do want to go is I want to take a look at your website real quick and see what I can find. So there we go. So right off the bat, the first thing that I noticed that I absolutely recommend that you change with your web guy is, can you see right here, honest, reliable service at a fair price at the top left next to the logo, the call button number? It's extremely small. It's very light along a white background. It's going to be very hard for people to see, right? Nowadays, a lot of people are actually, majority of people are searching for local websites on their phone and their smartphones. So when they're on that website and they're looking at the website and they're looking for a phone number to call, this text number is going to be very hard for them to see, and if they can't find it within the first 5-10 seconds, they're going to dip out of your website and go straight to your competitors. So you definitely want to make sure that this phone number is front and center, so that they can see it right away. It's also a text, it's a link. So it's a phone number link. That's definitely something that you want to talk to your website guy to make sure. So then when a person sees that phone number on their smartphone, they can just tap on it and then it'll just dial the number or take them straight to the dial pad. So I want to make sure you do that. One of the most important things nowadays that Google takes as a large factor in ranking another website over another website is the content on the website. So as you can see right here on your homepage, you got some information of heating services in Colorado Springs. You got Premier Heating and Air Conditioning, but you can see that it's not a lot of content. It's about maybe one, two sentences. You got 1 or 2 sentences under why calibrating air, heating, cooling, what services do we offer. So there's not a lot of content out here that we can definitely help and add more. That way you can rank in front of Google when everyone tries to, when Google tries to determine what website should rank higher than others. So for example, when we go here under heating services in Colorado Springs, you want to make sure that you're shooting for at least 500 to 700 words of content that is relevant to furnace repair and heating services. The reason why you want to do that is because there's longer tail keywords that you're going to be ranking for in Google's eyes when you start adding more content to your website. It helps to show Google that you're relevant to the search query that the person is searching for, and it gives you that credit that Google wants to see so that you get ranked higher than other websites. The last thing that I want to talk about to you real quick is your citations. Your citations are absolutely pivotal in ranking factors, especially in your Google Maps. So when someone searches up Colorado Springs HVAC, you'll be able to see right here on my screen that there's Bull's Eye Plumbing, Heating, and Air. There's Furnace World and Advanced Heat and Cooling. Now the reason why, I guarantee you, the reason why probably the biggest reason why they're showing up before you or any of the other competition is because they have their citations done correctly. They're making sure that they're being submitted to the correct web directories, and they're making sure that the information that they provide these web directories are consistent and exactly the same as every other area. So from a back-end perspective of how to optimize your websites, you want to make sure that it's as easy as possible for Google to understand what your business is and where it can relate to. So when you have citations in these business directories where, like for your website, for example, and a couple of other of your competitions, because I've already done a little bit of homework before this recording, a lot of the citations aren't consistent, right? There were some addresses that were missing a certain letter. There was some addresses that were adding the full abbreviation of Boulevard as opposed to BLVD. And these are kind of factors that Google gets confused about and will make it so that you rank lower in the Google Maps as well as a couple of your organic search results if you don't make sure that those citations are consistent. So really the 3 things that I wanted to make sure that you talk to your SEO person, or if you want to do SEO in the future, to focus on is definitely your backlink structure, making sure that you have quality backlinks and more of them, because that shows Google that you're an important website that should rank higher. The second thing is your content on your website. So you want to make sure that you have more content so Google can see that you're a relevant website to the search query that the person is searching for. And the last thing is your citations, your business directories and submissions that will help and show Google that you are consistently this location, this name, and you service these kinds of services. So I hope this video helped, and I'll hope to talk to you soon. Thanks, Bart. Take care.